Women are the real dogs. You want one that's going to listen to like a king or a prince. The best woman for you is going to listen to everything you have to say and do what you want. And every guy inherently knows this. It's not some superstition or some philosophical thing I'm giving you. Women love to be this way. It's their nature. And mostly every guy would agree. There's always going to be a few exceptions. Because a good woman that's made for you and that actually wants you is going to do what you want it to do. And what you tell it to do. Now, not everybody is in a relationship like this. It can actually be hard to come across. And get this, the woman is still going to have a sense of freedom. You're not controlling her. She's doing it because she wants to. If you have to force her or ask her a bunch of times, then it's not on your same frequency. The relationship at some point is going to have turmoil if it doesn't already.